Imagine living in a luxurious two-story house that moves, introducing the 2025 Mercedes Double Story Motorhome. With futuristic tech, hotel-like comfort, and unmatched style, it's redefining road travel. Get ready to witness the future on wheels. Welcome to a world where travel meets ultra-luxury. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary 2025 Mercedes Double Story Motorhome, a marvel of engineering that feels more like a moving five-star hotel than a vehicle. Mercedes-Benz has reimagined what it means to live on the road, and this double-decker motorhome is the result of bold innovation and cutting-edge design. From the outside, it's an imposing yet elegant machine. The dual-level structure stands tall, with sleek LED lighting, chrome accents, and a panoramic windshield that offers a commanding view. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis, ensuring smooth handling even for a giant like this. Step inside and your jaw will drop. The lower level features a spacious living room with plush leather recliners, a flat-screen entertainment system, and mood lighting that you can adjust with your voice. The modern kitchen rivals any home setup, equipped with a smart fridge, induction stove, dishwasher, and a built-in coffee machine. The dining area is expandable and offers floor-to-ceiling windows, perfect for breakfast with a view. Upstairs, a spiral staircase leads to a stunning second floor. Here you'll find a master bedroom that oozes luxury, complete with a king-size bed, ambient ceiling lights, and even a balcony that extends out with the press of a button. There's a second bedroom too, plus a full bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower, vanity mirror, and heated floors. The climate control system ensures both floors stay perfectly comfortable regardless of the weather. Through a single touchscreen or voice command, you also get satellite internet, 360-degree cameras, and an autopilot cruise mode for long journeys. Storage is generous, with hidden compartments, outdoor lockers, and even a hydraulic garage that can fit a compact car or 2 electric bikes. Safety features include collision sensors, lane assist, emergency braking, and a smart navigation system that finds RV-friendly routes and stops. This motorhome is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're exploring mountain ranges, cruising along coastal highways, or parking lakeside under the stars, the 2025 Mercedes Double Story Motorhome ensures you never compromise on comfort, style, or performance. It's ideal for full-time travelers, luxury adventurers, or anyone who wants to experience freedom without giving up the luxuries of home. With an estimated price tag reaching well into the millions, this motorhome isn't for everyone but for those who can afford it. It's the ultimate travel dream come true. So if you ever see a 2-story Mercedes cruising down the highway, now you know it's not a fantasy. It's the 2025 Mercedes Double Story Motorhome.